The nation must not forget in the upcoming festive season that while the lockdown is over, the coronavirus is not, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stressed in his address today. This is not the time to be careless. This is not the time to think that corona is gone and the danger is over, the Prime Minister said. Over the past few days, videos had shown that crowds were out in public, throwing caution to the winds, the Prime Minister said. You are risking your family, your children and your elders by doing so, he warned. The PM also added that while India was at a better state than many other countries, it should not drop its guard. Moving on to the next news, a Mumbai court yesterday acquitted 20 foreign attendees of the Tablighi Jamaat event who had been charged under Section 135 of the Bombay Police Act for violating the prohibitory orders of the COVID-19 lockdown. Metropolitan Magistrate at the Andheri Court, R.R. Khan, in his order, noted that there is no iota of evidence with the prosecution to show any contravention of the order by accused persons beyond all shadow of a doubt. There is no legal evidence adduced by the prosecution to show that accused persons infringed the notification lawfully made under Section 37 of Bombay Police Act. The court, referring to the evidence submitted by police officials, found that the accused had not committed a violation of lockdown or curfew. Moving on to the next news, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi today criticized senior leader Kamal Nath for his item remark on Imarti Devi, a BJP candidate for the by-elections in Madhya Pradesh. Ahead of the by-polls in Madhya Pradesh, the comment by former CM has generated huge controversy, with the BJP attacking Congress over its hypocrisy on women's issue. In the wake of massive criticism, Rahul Gandhi told reporters today, Kamal Nath ji is from my party, but personally I don't like the type of language that he used. I don't appreciate it, regardless of who he is. It is unfortunate. Moving on to the next news, the implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act was delayed due to the pandemic and the law will be implemented soon, BJP President JP Nadda said on Monday. While addressing the party workers at a meeting in Siliguri in North Bengal, Nadda slammed the West Bengal government for adopting a divide and rule policy and stopping benefits of centre's schemes from reaching the people of the state. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the implementation of CAA was delayed. However, as the overall situation is improving slowly, rules are now being framed. CAA will be implemented very soon and all of you will get the benefits of the law. We are committed to it, the BJP chief said. Moving on to the next news, Tejashwi Yadav, the RJD leader and CM candidate of Mahagathbandhan in Bihar polls, stunned everyone on Monday when he said he will not shy away in seeking support from the Lok Janshakti Party if the RJD-led Grand Alliance was short of a majority, Hindustan Times reported. While addressing a rally in Jamui, the Lok Sabha constituency of Chirag Paswan, Tejashwi Yadav said, if required, we will seek support of the LJP during government formation.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.